Okay, now you can see this entire scene looks too static. Nothing is moving. It looks so like, or like everything is so dead. So they're like, I need to do something with these leaves. The all these leaves should move. So I'll go to the leaf material. Align everything nicely. Yeah. Now I want to move this texture. Should look this texture. I want to animate this texture so that those leaves should look like it's moving. I want to add some movement to the texture. So how we do it is we need to add a simple grass wind. It's a function. Right click, search for say a simple. You see simple grass wind. Now bring it here and connect this to world position offset. You can see it's showing some error. Right click, promote to parameter. Right click, promote to parameter. Right click, promote to parameter. And this also promote to parameter. Everything you promote to parameter basically. Now this material is ready. Save. It's saving. Still saving. Why it's taking so long? It's almost saved. Okay, saved. Still you can see it's not moving. So what I have to do, I have to go to my instance to see all these options are here. Now I see, I just maximize my scene, zoom into any of the section, any of the leaf section, and now I want to add some wind to it. So activate all of them, add a little bit of value. I can see all the leaves are moving slightly. It's just an animated texture, just to give you an illusion of movement. This is not actual wind. I can see all these things are moving, so it looks a bit natural, and it adds a little bit of this thing, life to your scene. So once you add all this effect, and one more thing I forgot, just glass. So double click this texture, double click open. So I forgot to add this material, this transparency. So transparency by default, whenever you use Unreal setting, by default, it's part of your diffuse map alpha. So connect this to alpha 2, opacity, but you can see opacity is deactivated. Select the main material, and blend mode is opaque right now. Select to translucent, but you can see if you select translucent, everything became deactivated. Most of the things are deactivated. So what you have to do is scroll down, color normal roughness. This is decal. So volumetric direction, change this thing. Transparency volume, surface transparency volume, and all these things will activate again. Now save it. Now the glass will become translucent. And close it. Go here. Let's see. It become translucent, but it converted this entire thing to transparent. That means due to some strange reason, this map, it have translucency. Have translucency. So then why it's not visible? Why everything becoming translucent? Let's check this. Maybe the transparency, I have to cross check it, like why it's making everything transparent. Okay, everything is transparent because of the material property that it changed. Surface forward shading. See it once again. It's taking little time. Unreal is a little heavy on system, so I don't know. It's saving, so it's taking little time. Save quickly. in the scene. Okay, to do something about this. So check, cross check it. Maybe some glitch. It's fine now. Just have to check. Usually glass creates problem, so I guess I have to separate the geometry and separate the material. Separate the geometry and material to create it properly without any issue. So most of the things are almost ready. And here inside I can see all the lights. Delete, delete. This light intensity I have to increase. Oh, was way too inside. That was because it wasn't casting any light. Near this thing, I can use it spotlight if it's not giving me proper lighting. So I'm going to use a point light. So three, this is become cross because these are like stationary lights. So I have to make sure select all three, changes to static light. Press G. These three, if I want to increase intensity to 15 or something, make it a little brighter. So my most of the things are almost ready. Yes, like I have to duplicate this thing here also. Duplicate this thing and make sure everything looks fine. And this shadow and everything I have to generate. So this is like default. This is like almost there, but not finished. Everything is not finished yet. So what I have to do is I'll go and check my, because all these parts are really dark. So I have to change my intensity of my skylight. Skylight is basically your bounce light, static. Its intensity is 1. I can make it like 2. It will be a little bright, but it will, because it nothing change here because we have to bake it. Direction light, static. So all the lights and everything, make sure to convert them into static and move all lights inside this light folder, drag and drop. So I'll check everything is static right now. So once you're done with like basic setup and everything is ready, just you have to bake it. Like just to build, you have to build the entire lighting and everything. So click on this and we'll start building the entire scene. Will take it, and building is something we do it at the end only because it takes a little time. It because there are so many lights and plus the lights plus the scale of the model. Based on the both the things, it generates everything. It's building, so it will take little time. And it's still generating. So you can see my entire scene become really dark. This is my actual lighting of the scene. That means I need to increase the intensity of all these lights and inside interior lights and everything. I need to increase the intensity. So everything is, you can see, quite dark. Now I have to modify everything because once you bake, you'll see the actual lighting. Now I have to modify the lights and increase the intensity overall. So sky, because sky I can increase it to like 10 or something because my direction light have very less little intensity. Build one more time. It's generating. Still pretty dark. So indirect light, what I'll do is increase this to 2. Cast shadow and everything is on. Build it one more time. So lighting is very important and it takes little time to perfect it because you have to do like check it again and change the value and build it again. Still the same. Still pretty dark. Now press G and check your lights. All three of them. Put them slightly down and give them intensity of maybe 50 or something. Make it super bright. This is 2, so make it like 10 or something. This part kind of looks nice, but this doesn't look nice. Yes, now it's better. It's 80 something, so 80. Increase the intensity. Increase the intensity. 10. Increase the intensity. Similarly, for all these lights also, I need to increase the intensity. Where is it? Move it. Everything selected and just accept. Yeah, this last. Now if all the light is selected, increase intensity to 10. Now your scene become pretty bright. I have to build it one more time. Most of things become bright, shadows and everything is to become prominent. This part is way too dark, so I need to fix this. Skylight. Resolution is fine. This also fine. Intensity, let's make it like 50 or something. Build it one more time. Become bright, but it become more of a bluish tint. I don't want it. Light is white. I'll build it one more time. I guess I need to increase the intensity of my direction light, because my direction light is really generate everything. Yes, light is there. Correct. It's not why there is two of this thing. Oh, just give me a second. Actually, if everything is correct, this texture, where it is here, select this one, apply. I got the lamp also. Now direction light. Where is my direction light? Increase the intensity to 1. Rotate. Which of the angle? Shadow. It's casting shadow. If I want, I can switch off the shadow. So it give me a nice clean light. So everything will be visible. Much better. Now all the sides are visible. Now if I want, I can bake this thing. And plus I feel all these lights I need to add intensity or color. If I add little color, it will look nice. And now I feel all this dirt is way too shiny. So that is something also I can control within Unreal without going Substance. Just double click this, open your actual material. Now it's like super glossy, right? So to control this, like glossiness, we control with the help of roughness. So how to control this? Use a multiply node. Press M and left mouse button together to generate a multiply node and connect this to roughness. Now your green roughness to A, press S to, and left mouse button, generate a parameter, name it as roughness. Roughness, default value is 1, connect it and just save it. So it will control, now you have a controller for your only roughness. You can increase the roughness, decrease the roughness. Black means your full white, 0 means full black. One means full white and black means full this thing. So now you can see I have this option here. Same one. Now this is too glossy. Increase. I can reduce it if we make the glossiness. Increase the glossiness. If I increase it to reduce the glossiness. So with the help of this, I can control. See, it was like this. Now like this. I can control my glossiness with this and clean my scene. Almost file is ready. Like there are a few things still have to do is like I have to duplicate them one by one. Rotation, undo it. Okay, this is a mod. This is one modular piece we are using in our scene. Alt, drag, duplicate, paste it, rotate. Like this, I'll clear the entire section. Push it back. Now I'll create this section like this. And fix everything. So start texturing your thing, then we'll import everything into RDL and start creating all the details and all those things. Mark present. So I'll do all those things, fix everything and create all the details here. And then we start adding more details, light the scene properly, add some effect like some particles or some other effect we'll use and create this thing very nicely. Still, we have to add a little bit of dirt here, these, some cracks and all, something. We'll add those things and fix everything. Okay, so start texturing your file, then and if you want, you can send me your files, mail me, we'll check everything. And based on if you have any doubts and everything, you can send me, we'll discuss those things and fix everything. Yeah. Okay, then I'll see you guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay.